Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an identity management system with Okta. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Okta website and sign up for a new account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Okta dashboard. Next, click on Applications in the left sidebar. Now, click the Add Application button. You'll see a variety of pre-built applications to choose from. Select the application type that fits your needs, or use the search bar to find a specific application. After selecting your application, click Add. You will then be taken to the Application Settings page. Fill out the required fields such as name and assignment settings. After configuring the application settings, click on Done to save your changes. Next, navigate to the directory from the left sidebar to manage users. Click on People to view existing users or to add new ones. To add a new user, click the Add Person button in the top right corner. Fill in the user's information, including first name, last name, and email address. Once you've entered the details, click Save. To assign the user to the application you created earlier, click on the user's name in the directory. Scroll down to the Applications section and click Assign. Select the application you want to assign and click Assign. You'll then need to configure specific settings for this user for the application. Once you've configured the settings, click Done. Next, navigate to Security in the left sidebar. Select Authentication to set up policies for user sign-in. Define the authentication methods you want to enable, such as multi-factor authentication. After configuring authentication settings, click Save to secure your system. Now, let's set up user groups for better management. Go back to the dashboard and click on Directory and then Groups. Click the Add Group button to create a new user group. Fill in the group name and description, then click Save. To add users to this group, click on the group name. Click on the Members tab, then click Add Members. Select the users you want to include and then click Add. Now that your users and groups are set up, let's integrate the identity management system. Navigate back to Applications and click on the Sign On tab to set up the sign-in method for your users. Choose the sign-on method and configure any fields required for your application. Once everything is configured, click Save. Finally, test the user experience by signing in as one of the users you created. Enter the user credentials and go through the sign-on process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.